Welcome to Dream on Wheels, the channel where we explore incredible motorhomes, camper vans, and the freedom of life on the open road. If you love travel, adventure, and discovering beautifully designed homes on wheels, you're in the right place. Here, we take you inside some of the most impressive camper vans and motorhomes from around the world, exploring their exterior design, smart interiors, luxury features, and everything that makes them perfect for life on the road. And today, we're exploring a camper van that captures that freedom perfectly, the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y. Created as a special anniversary edition to celebrate decades of campervan innovation, this model combines smart design, modern technology, and clever space-saving ideas into one compact yet surprisingly luxurious vehicle. Engineered on a reliable European campervan platform designed for long-distance travel, the Twin 640 SGX is built to deliver both confident driving performance and a comfortable living experience on the road. But what really makes this camper van special is how it manages to pack so many features into such an efficient space. From its sleek exterior styling to its flexible sleeping system and smart interior layout, every detail is designed to make life on the road easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. So today, we're going to take a full tour of the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y, exploring the exterior design, the living area, the kitchen, the sleeping space, the bathroom, and of course, what it's like to actually drive this camper van. The first thing you notice about the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y is how modern and refined it looks, unlike many camper vans that feel purely functional. This one manages to blend practicality with stylish design. The sleek body lines, subtle graphics, and balanced proportions give the van a premium European appearance because it's built on the Fiat Ducato chassis. It already starts with one of the most trusted foundations in the campervan world. This platform is widely known for its durability, smooth handling, and comfortable driving experience, which makes it a popular choice for many motorhome manufacturers. At the front, the large windshield creates excellent visibility for the driver while also allowing plenty of natural light to enter the cabin. The modern headlights and clean front grille design give the van a confident and contemporary look on the road. Moving along the side of the vehicle, you'll notice the wide sliding door, one of the most important features for everyday campervan living. This door creates an open and welcoming entrance to the interior, especially when parked at scenic campsites or during warm summer days. Another practical feature is the integrated awning mounted along the ROOFLINE. With a simple extension, this awning creates a shaded outdoor living space where you can relax, cook, or enjoy a meal outside the van. Large side windows allow plenty of daylight inside while also giving travelers the chance to wake up to stunning views. At the rear of the camper van, the double doors open wide to reveal one of the most interesting features of this model: a flexible rear storage and sleeping system. This smart design is what truly sets the Twin 640 SGX apart from many other camper vans in its class, but we'll explore that in more detail shortly. For now, let's step inside and see how Adria has transformed this compact van into a comfortable home on wheels. As soon as you step inside the Adria Twin 640 SGX 60Y, you immediately notice how bright and welcoming the interior feels. The design follows a clean, modern European style with soft color tones, high-quality materials, and smart use of space. Even though this is a camper van rather than a full-sized motorhome, the interior layout feels surprisingly open. At the front of the van, you'll find the main living and dining area. Just like many premium camper vans, the driver and passenger seats can swivel around to face the interior. This simple feature instantly transforms the driving cabin into part of the living room. Combined with the dining bench and table, It creates a comfortable seating area where travelers can eat, relax, or plan their next destination. The table itself is cleverly designed to adjust and move depending on how you want to use the space, whether you're enjoying breakfast, working on a laptop, or playing a board game on a rainy evening. This area becomes the social center of the van. Large windows surround the seating area, allowing natural light to fill the interior during the day and in the evening. Soft LED lighting creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. Overhead cabinets provide convenient storage for everyday items like books, electronics, or travel essentials. Everything about this space is designed to make the van feel less like a vehicle and more like a small apartment on wheels. Moving further into the camper van, we reach the kitchen. Despite being compact, the kitchen in the twin 640 SGX is surprisingly functional. Adria has designed it to provide everything travelers need for preparing meals on the road without wasting valuable space. The kitchen includes a modern gas stove with multiple burners, allowing you to cook a wide variety of meals during your travels. Right beside it is a stainless steel sink with a modern faucet, perfect for washing dishes or preparing ingredients. The countertop offers just enough workspace for food preparation, and when not in use, clever covers can be placed over the sink and stove to extend the work surface. Below the countertop, you'll find several storage drawers and cabinets designed to hold utensils, cookware, and groceries. A refrigerator is also included, providing enough storage to keep food fresh during longer trips. This means you can comfortably travel for several days without needing to constantly stop at grocery stores. Another detail worth mentioning is how carefully the kitchen layout has been designed. Every appliance and cabinet is placed strategically to maximize efficiency while keeping the area easy to use. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the road or cooking dinner at a campsite, the kitchen area makes the process simple and enjoyable. Asterisk. Now we arrive at one of the most impressive features of the Adria Twin 640 SGX60Y. The innovative rear sleeping system. Traditional camper vans often struggle to balance sleeping space and storage space, but Adria has solved this challenge with a clever solution. The SGX system features an adjustable rear bed that can be raised or lowered depending on your needs. During the day, the bed can be lifted upward, creating a large storage area underneath. This space can easily fit bikes, camping gear, luggage, or other travel equipment. For outdoor adventurers, this flexibility is extremely valuable. Then, when it's time to sleep, the bed lowers down to create a comfortable sleeping area. The mattress is designed for proper support and comfort, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a long day of exploring. Because the sleeping area is located at the rear of the van, it also provides a sense of privacy and separation from the rest of the living space. Soft reading lights and nearby storage cabinets make the area feel cozy and practical for many travelers. This flexible sleeping and storage combination is one of the biggest reasons to choose the Twin 640 SGX. It allows the camper van to adapt to different travel styles. Whether you're carrying sports equipment, traveling with luggage, or simply enjoying a relaxing road trip. Next, let's talk about the bathroom. In a compact camper van, the bathroom is often one of the most challenging areas to design, but the Adria Twin 640 SGX60Y manages to include a surprisingly functional bathroom setup. The space includes a toilet, a small sink with a mirror, and a shower area. While compact, everything is arranged in a way that keeps the space practical and comfortable to use. Smart, waterproof materials ensure the bathroom can handle daily use during long journeys. There are also small storage compartments where travelers can keep toiletries and personal items organized. Having a private bathroom inside the van is incredibly convenient, especially when traveling in remote locations where public facilities may not be available. it allows you to enjoy true independence on the road. Another area where the twin 640 SGX excels is storage. For any camper van, efficient storage is essential, after all. When you're traveling for days or weeks at a time, you need space for clothes, food, gear, and personal belongings. Adria has included storage solutions throughout the van. Overhead cabinets run along the interior walls, offering plenty of space for smaller items. The kitchen cabinets store cookware and groceries. Wardrobe compartments allow travelers to keep clothing neatly organized, and of course, the large rear storage area beneath the adjustable bed provides room for larger equipment like bicycles or camping gear. This thoughtful combination of storage options makes the van highly practical for both short trips and longer adventures. One of the biggest advantages of campervans like the Adria Twin 640 SGX6 OY is how easy they are to drive. Because it's built on the Fiat Ducato platform, the driving experience feels very similar to a large van rather than a bulky motorhome. The steering is responsive, the visibility is excellent, and the driving position is comfortable even during long journeys. Modern driver assistance features help make travel safer and less stressful. The dashboard layout is intuitive and easy to understand, with controls placed conveniently within reach for many travelers. This balance of comfort and drivability is one of the biggest reasons to choose a campervan over a larger motorhome. It allows you to explore narrow roads, small towns, and hidden travel destinations that might be difficult to access with a larger vehicle.